What is going on, everybody? As you guys can probably tell just by the bike I'm on, I'm back in North Carolina. I didn't get to make as many videos as I had planned while I was in Mississippi, but stuff happens. I'm not gonna whine and moan about it. But yeah, I'm glad to be back. I'm glad to be back on my bike and finally get to take her out again. I always hate when I have to let a bike sit and not be ridden. But yeah, nothing fancy. I'm just gonna make my way home because I'm pretty tired. It always sucks going from being on a vacation to going back to work full time. I'm sure plenty of you understand that feeling. Next week, I'm hoping to be able to do a review on my Airflight. Me and my wife have some new lights coming in that I'm hoping will make the lighting much better than it was in my Ruroc review, but I'll be giving my 10 cents on what I thought of the Airflight while I was using it. Just what you guys can expect for buying a helmet, whether it be that you're looking at getting a first helmet or you're looking at upgrading your helmet or just getting a new helmet in general. I'm hoping to get a group ride in either late this month or next month at some point. I know a few people near me that own bikes and have wanted to go for a ride, so we're gonna work on trying to set something up and hopefully get out for a ride together. I'm not real sure at where we would plan on going. I don't have any places in mind. It's in the works. Hopefully I can get a little group together and go riding. I still don't have my Sena set up to where you guys will be able to hear anything that's coming through my Sena. I don't even know if they have Senas on their helmets, but when that time does come, I'll have to figure that out, how I'm gonna make it so you guys can hear whatever other people are saying. But yeah, on the topic of kind of not knowing where to go or whatever, if you guys are from this area or you know something that's on the East Coast of North Carolina, then let me know in the comments. Let me know if there's a spot that you guys want me to go or anything like that. I'm always down to go see new things. I don't know a ton of what's genuinely around me. The only place other than Atlantic Beach and Jacksonville that I've really explored is Wilmington, and that's because I spent a year there. Yeah, let me know. I'm curious if other people know good places around the state that aren't too far to get to. If it's any further than an hour or two, then I'm gonna have to obviously plan something to take some time and get out there. If it's not too far from like Jacksonville, Atlantic Beach, then let me know. I'm super curious. My man's just staring at me hard in that truck. I don't know if you guys can see in that mirror, but he was just staring hard. My leg just got extremely hot right there. I think I accidentally put it to my exhaust. That friggin' hurt. I'm surprised it didn't burn my jeans. Looks like it might have a little bit. Those cars are so weird to me. I personally don't really understand them. I'm sure they're really fun to ride around in, but I don't really get it. There's not a ton of power to them. And from some of the reviews I've seen on them, they get super squirrely in the rain. That rear tire just has a hard time keeping traction in a low traction environment. And it makes sense. I mean, you got one tire in the rear versus two. I think it's a little 4-cylinder, but it's still an engine that was designed to be on 4 wheels. I personally don't understand. Like I said, I'm sure they're really fun to actually ride in. I like being able to put more power in it if I want to, and if you put more power in something like that, it's just going to get squirrely on you, and it's going to end up with you wrecking it or spinning it out at the very least. And that's a no thanks from me. I am really hoping that I don't hit that rain cloud that's up there. I'm sure you guys can see it, but it's looking really ugly. And it said there was a really low chance of rain today, which is why I took the bike in general, but it's looking like that might have been a lie. I think I might end up getting wet on my way home. I guess the bike could use a bath anyways. It's got friggin' oil all over it. I think I'm definitely gonna get wet. Ugh, Taco Bell sounds delicious. I could really go for a friggin' taco. I just had them the other night, but is it ever not a night to have tacos? And is it possible to get tacoed out? Is that a thing? I've never discovered it. On a different note though, I've actually found a company that I really want to go through for my rear fender. I believe it's called Killer Customs. I think they're out of the UK, if I'm not mistaken. But they make a super short fender that I think is going to look fantastic on this bike. I know it comes with a rear brake light. I don't know if it has blinkers or not, or if I'll have to outsource some new blinkers that are a little bit more discreet than the big ugly ones I got on it right now. I wish all these bike companies, not just Harley, but crotch rockets, everything, I wish they didn't have as strict the rules as they do to try to sell to a mass market, because there's obviously a reason that they have deletes for your crotch rockets and a lot smaller rear tail lights and blinkers for your Harleys, because they're just so hideous on every bike. I have yet to really find a crotch rocket or a Harley that I like the way the blinkers and the rear tail lights came out. I already know I'm fixing to take a shower and it's gonna suck. I'm still probably like half an hour away from home. I can't tell which lane's going faster. I'm just trying to get up there so I can get the hell home. But then even when I get home, I still gotta go get dinner. I don't know, I'm gonna be miserable for the next half an hour. Maybe not. Maybe it's just a big scary cloud. Nope, I felt it. I just got hit. We'll see how much footage of this I can actually use without the camera just being completely blurred out from it being soaked. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I just got hit with something. I don't know. I'm not soaked yet. Nothing yet, and I have to say I'm really surprised I'm not soaked to the core yet, because I'm right underneath it and only going further into it. I'm literally being a storm chaser on a friggin' motorcycle. Gas lights on. This is just a party of misfortunes. I need gas, it's about to rain, I'm stuck on the highway. Of course I hit a red light here as well. I'm gonna hit all the red lights, I'm sure of it. Just so I take as long as I have to getting home and get the greatest chance of rain that I can get. There we go. 36 miles till I'm out of gas. Probably closer to 30. I'm technically closer to home than 30 miles, but I guess here's to hoping that I don't run out of gas. Buddy. I don't want to cut that Honda off. Damn, that sucks. Somebody had to leave their bike behind. There is so much traffic today. It's usually never this busy, at least right here. Alright, we are off the highway, finally. Yeah, I'm really surprised there was no rain that entire time. I'm like right underneath it and didn't get hit by anything, thankfully. And I'm not too much further now, so even if it started raining now, I'm pretty close. And I didn't run out of gas. So win-win. We're looking good. Down in the comments below, let me know what are some places that you guys have always wanted to go riding that you either have gone and you just absolutely love, or places that you eventually plan on going to or like really want to get to. I know, like I said, I'm really hoping to get out west. I want to go ride down in Florida at some point. I've been to Florida a million times, but I've never ridden my bike in Florida and would really like to be able to do that. I know California's got some beautiful coast, and I would love to be able to ride up and down PCH, but it's A, pain to get out there, and B, other than the PCH, there's not really anything in California that I want to go do or see. I've been there before, and I just didn't really have that good of a time. I know there's a lot of stuff out there. There's a ton of culture, but I don't know. I didn't have a good time while I was there, and I don't really know where to look to have a good time out in California. But yeah, I guess that's where I'm gonna wrap this video up. I'm not too far from my house. I'm possibly gonna be moving soon, so when that time comes, I'll let you guys know if there's gonna be a delay in any videos, because I'll be in the process of moving and I won't have much time to edit something up. But that's not right now. It's not next week. I'll let you guys know as that gets closer. If you like this type of content, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment down below if you have something that you'd like to see, or if you just want to talk to me, do whatever. If you want to see more of this type of stuff, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon. Any love you guys can give me is greatly appreciated. It's kind of been wild so far, only having what, 5 videos up right now at the time of this video, and I have just received a lot of love from you guys, and I really appreciate it. Look forward to that helmet video coming out next week. I'll hopefully have some decent lighting, and we'll be able to present the helmet much better than I did with the Ruroc. I'm still kind of awkward on camera, and am not the greatest at talking, but that comes with time and practice. Until next week, I will see you guys in the next video. Right as I stop recording, the rain starts coming. I guess it was literally just waiting for me to end the video. This will probably go in because I'm sure you guys are probably getting hit with the rain too. But yeah, I literally just finished my video and it's starting to rain. Fun.